To replace a hammerhead wheel, follow these simple steps. The hammerhead wheel assembly consists of a hubcap and an axle shaft collar, or wheel keeper. There are two types of keepers in use. One requires a 5/32 Allen wrench to remove it, and the other a star driver. To make this easy, you'll need to lift your cart so that the wheel can spin. You can make a simple jack stand by taking the chemical tray out of the back of the cart and placing it underneath the axle. This will free up the wheel so that you can remove it. The hubcap rotates. Turn it so that the set screw for the wheel keeper appears in one of the notches on the hubcap. Using the appropriate wrench, loosen the set screw so that the wheel keeper can be removed. When the wheel keeper is loose, you can remove it from the hubcap. Make sure the set screw is still in place. Behind the hubcap, you may see a washer. Typically, there are 2 washers for each wheel. One washer is here, on the outside of the wheel, and the other is here, on the inside. To replace wheel bearings, follow these simple steps. The wheel bearing is pressed into the wheel hub. To remove an old bearing, simply pry it out with a screwdriver or a pry bar. You might find a short piece of PVC pipe inside the wheel. This is a spacer between the wheel bearings, as each wheel has a bearing on either side. You can tap the new bearings in place with a short piece of 1-inch PVC pipe or a block of wood. Wheel bearings will wear out under normal use and should be replaced whenever necessary. It is possible to convert a solid tire wheel to a pneumatic wheel when the tire wears out. The hammerhead wheel is the same size as a standard 20-inch bicycle rim. For best results, use a non-marking tire and a heavy-duty inner tube. The wheel should be reinstalled with a washer on either side of the wheel if possible. Reinstall the hubcap before sliding the wheel keeper onto the axle. Fully tighten the set screw on the wheel keeper to secure the wheel safely. For more information, visit us at hammerheadvac.com or call